Good morning, real estate rock stars. Welcome back to Coffee with CMG, where we just want to help you grow your business with practical, high impact strategies. I'm Corey Morris Gilmore, and today we're talking about the easiest, most overlooked source of real estate leads, and that's your sphere of influence. So we're going to dive into your existing network and just help you just get business from people that you know. Your sphere includes everyone already knows, likes, and trusts you. Friends, family, past clients, former coworkers, your gym buddies, even your hairstylist. But most agents, they miss out on leads because they don't stay in touch consistently with these people. So here's how to fix that with a simple, repeatable system. Today, we're going to discuss building and organizing your sphere list, creating a consistent touch point plan, and then maximizing those referral opportunities. So let's dive in. Number one, build and organize your sphere list. First things first, get all of your contacts into one place. Your phone, email, CRM, Facebook friends list, anyone who knows you goes on this list. Then I want you to divide them into three categories. A list. This is like your inner circle, people who are most likely to refer you. And these are your close friends, past clients, and family. Then you have your B list, who are your acquaintances, people who know you but may not have worked with you before. So these are like your neighbors, your social media friends, maybe some colleagues. Then you have your C list. This is your extended network, people you don't know personally but want to connect with. Friends of friends, maybe it's a vendor or a local business owners. All right, so you got to get this list organized. So let's jump into number two, and that is create a consistent touch point plan. Now that you've got your list, the key is consistent, valuable follow-ups. If you're out of sight, let me tell you, you are out of mind. Here's a simple three-part strategy. You have your monthly value touches, your quarterly personal touches, and then your annual face-to-face meetings. So let's talk about monthly value touches. So monthly value touches, these include emails, market updates, helpful resources that you can send your database. And then from a quarterly personal touch standpoint, this includes handwritten notes, phone calls, pick up that phone, social media comments, be strategic on social media. And then you have your annual face-to-face meetings. These are going to be like meetups, pop-by events, community events, whatever you want to do these things annually. And then you have your annual face-to-face meetings. And these are going to be like your client appreciation events, your coffee meetups, and then your pop-by gift events. All right. So let's dive into the last thing you need to think about. And you want to maximize your referral opportunities. People in your sphere, they won't refer you unless you make it easy and clear for them to do so. And here's how. Very simple. Ask for the referrals the right way. So instead of saying, do you know anybody buying or selling? I want you to change that and say, who's the next person you know thinking about moving? You can also create social media referral reminders. So post something like, referrals mean the world to me. If you know someone needing real estate help, I'd love an introduction. The key is to give first and receive later. So refer people to your network like local painters, lenders, landscapers. People remember when you actually help them, and they're going to want to help you when you ask. Listen, leads, they are all around you right now. You just have to find a way to nurture them. So your mission this week is to organize your sphere list, A, B, or C, reach out to 10 people this week, and then post a referral reminder on social media. Now, let me know in the comments how this goes. And please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and share this with another agent looking for more leads. Until next time, keep that coffee strong.